Hey guys, and thank you for stopping by for the part 3 of the Moroccan method series. So this is the styling gel that I received in my first order as a gift from Moroccan method, and the smell is it's very bland. It doesn't really have much of a sweet smelling scent, and it feels good in my hands. It feels good on my hair. Actually, it has a lot of water in it from what I can tell when I apply it on my hair. And it doesn't feel too much like a gel, but perhaps a gel cream. So I will classify it as a gel cream as opposed to a gel. And now I am getting ready to put my hair into a bun. Just sliding it up, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. It hasn't been creating any friction for me gliding this string up my hair. So I say that I would probably look into getting a larger size in it, but I will use the rest of it to see how it goes. And that's about it. That's the short and sweet of it. And now I'm just going to be moving on to showing you guys how I do this French style bun. It's pretty straightforward. I just use pins, a rayon type fabric to do a front knot, head tie at the front, and then do a swoop at the front. The swoop, and I tuck it under or use bobby pins to hold it in, and there goes my son all up in my video like Diddy. So it's not as neat. You can just get some gel and get those flyaways, but for the most part it's good enough for me. So I'm getting ready to form the bun, and sometimes based on how I pull up the string, it can be somewhat irregularly shaped at the back, but for the most part I just focus on the appearance at the front, because that's what anybody sees when they see you at first. So in the next clip, you're gonna see how I get that done. Its finishing touches. So what I like to do for a smoother swoop is to give it some more tension in that area and apply another bobby pin or two. And if I want volume in the donut bun, I take out some bobby pins and reshape as needed. So it's based on your discretion, guys. Thank you so much for watching and staying tuned to this series, and I'll see you guys in my next video.